So we have already learned that how to create a library and as well as how to use the print procedure to see the data portion of a data set. So let me show you again the print procedure, that is proc print. So I have my library. In my library, that is AA library, I have assigned that is American Airlines. So we are working with all the data set for the American Airlines. So now let me see the proc print data is equals to proc print data is equals to AA dot EMP data, right? I can select from here also EMP data. So there is a data set named as EMP data. So I want to see what are the values are there inside of EMP data. So EMP data is here, that is EMP data, right? This one. So now if we can run this particular command, then we can see what are the variables are there and what are the observations are there. So now if I run, so you can see there are 8 observations and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables are there. Now we want to see some selected variables from these particular observations, right, from listing reports. So by using the proc print procedure, we can see inside of any data set. So if I want to see only the job code, EMP ID and salary, but excluding the last name and first name, then what we will use, how we can write. So we just write this proc print data is equals to A dot EMP data, and we will use the var. var will use for the selecting the variable, which are the variable we want to see in the proc print output. So if we can see, that is say I can see here that what are the variables are there. What are the variables are there? Let us see once again. So last name, say EMP ID, this EMP ID, and job code and salary. So it should be same as like this, what is mentioned. So EMP ID, job code, salary. So now run. So we can see here the output would be like this. So it is showing me only the EMP ID, job code and salary. So in that particular place, you can use any of the variables which are available in your data set. This is selecting the variables from these proc print procedure. We can use this. Now when we are running this particular procedure, you can see here is an observation column. If we want to remove this obs column, then what we do, we will just do here after EMP data, we will write NOOBS, right? It will no observation, it will show you the output like this. So there is no observation appearing in my output. So this is all about our selecting the variables. Now in the next video, I will start with the different operators and operands and as well as the where statement.